Welcome. If you want to upload photos and videos to Google Drive from your phone, you'll need to make sure the app has the right permissions. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to allow Google Drive access to your photos and videos, so you can backup, share, and organize your memories with ease. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open your device's settings. This is where you manage all the apps and permissions on your phone, so it's the best place to begin. Next, scroll down until you find Apps, or sometimes it's called App Management, depending on your device. Tap on it to see a list of all the apps installed on your phone. Now, look for the Google Drive app in the list. You can scroll or use the search bar at the top to find it quickly. Once you see Google Drive, tap on it to open its settings. Inside the Google Drive app settings, you'll see several options. Find and tap on Permissions. This section controls what the app can access on your device. Here you'll see a list of permissions like camera, contacts, and more. Look for Photos and Videos, tap on it, and then select Allow Photos and Videos Access. This step is crucial. It gives Google Drive permission to access your device's gallery, so you can upload photos and videos directly from your phone. That's it. With these permissions enabled, you can now easily upload your favorite photos and videos to Google Drive, keeping them safe and accessible from any device. If you ever want to change these settings, just repeat these steps and adjust the permissions as needed. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Now, enjoy organizing and sharing your memories with Google Drive.